Hello, my name is Lawrence and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you another piece of my HTML interactive bit I made. We're nearly at the end now, and today I'm going to show you quickly how to add more audio to it, which is the effects. I want to click on it and the sound will come up. So I want to do that, and I also want to do the main menu click button, which I'll do first. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so basically you got to go and scroll to the main menu event sheet. You want to add action to the main menu button you've done before. Then you want to go to audio, play. Oh no, I uploaded the, let me quickly upload to sounds, the two things I need. Okay, so you want to go to the main menu button, the one you made before, right at the bottom, add action to that, audio, play. And you want the main menu sound or whatever it is, not looping, volume at 0, keep everything as it is basically, and done. Make sure it is at the top by dragging and dropping it at the top, so it's before the set animation frame to 1. Okay, let's just check to see if that works. There you go, it works. Alright, now I want to do each one for the mouse, whatever clickable one it is. So basically you want to scroll, want to start from the top. Yeah, let's start with this one. You want to basically copy it, main menu, go to the main menu event sheet and copy and paste the first one, which is the effects, and pasting it into each one. So I'm going to do this. Actually no, you want to copy it to the first one and making sure it's at the top and changing it to the clickable sound or whatever it is you have. This one's called click sound, and I want to now copy and paste it on each one, making sure it's at the top of each one. I think I need that one. It's only twice. You only need it twice for each one. Oops. You want to click on the actual first one, making sure it's all highlighted, and then right click on the first bit and making sure it's highlighted and clicking to make it go to the top. If not, then you have to drag and drop it to the top. and do the others also. Wherever the buttons are, you gotta put the click to, basically, and you gotta do it for every single one. You add the actions to, like this one also. And I showed you how to do it, so I'll be back in a minute once I do the others. Right, I just did that for every single one. The only ones I didn't do was the hover one, but as you can see, they all got click. Anything that's got click on, I added it to it, so that's nearly everyone except for hover and another one. But just to check if it works, just check a few. I went start from there. As you can see, the clicks. And as you can see, there you go, just check another one. Okay. Oops, I checked the wrong one, but okay, so that's that for that one, and do join me for the next one, and until then, I'll see you then. My name is Lawrence. Have a nice whatever it is, and good afternoon for me, and take care. See you soon. Bye.